नमस्कार नमस्कार मेरा नाम है राजीव कुमार बजाज यानी आर के बी और एट द मोमेंट ऑफ कोर्स यू वाचिंग मी ऑन द राजीव बजाज चैनल द आर के बी शो चैनल वी ऑल्सो हैव अनदर चैनल कॉल्ड नेशन नाउ प्लीज डू वॉच इट एंड देयर इज वन मोर चैनल कॉल्ड बार बार आर के बी वो भी देखिए व्हाई एम आई टॉकिंग टू यू ओवर हियर टुडे दैट इज बिकॉज मिस्टर ट्रम्प द यूएस प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर ट्रम्प said, I think for the 38th time, that he was the man responsible for the ceasefire between India and Pakistan, which is fine so far as it goes. But he also said that they had knocked off 5 planes from the air. 5 planes, that's what he said, in front of the president of Azerbaijan and the prime minister of Armenia. And of course, he wanted the Nobel Prize. But that's what he said, कि तकरीबन 5 एयरक्राफ्ट हवा में उड़ा दिए थे. अब किसने उड़ाई ये उन्होंने नहीं बोला. वी केम टू नो अबाउट दैट टुडे. एयर चीफ मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह साहब at the LM Catre, Air Chief Marshal Catre, who was an Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force, उनके मेमोरियल लेक्चर में हमारे एयर चीफ मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह साहब ने बोला किस तरीके से 5 फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट पाकिस्तान के और एक एवैक what is it, airborne early warning and advanced reconnaissance system, etc. And what is it, war and control system or something like that. Warning and control system, airborne warning and control system, that's what an AVAC is. Now do remember this press conference, or rather this speech in which he made this revelation, is not directed at the Pakistanis. Remember that. As far as the Pakistanis are concerned, it's over. Where we are concerned, Pakistan के साथ भाई जो थोड़ा बहुत झगड़ा था, जंग हुई खत्म, वो खत्म है. This was directed at Mr. Trump. Please do understand this. This was not directed at General Asim Munir. Asim Munir might, उछल कूद कर लें, पाकिस्तान के जो लोग हैं बड़ा उछल कूद कर लें, भैया आपकी इसमें बात नहीं हो रही. India is directing this at Mr. Trump and people are asking why so late. इतना टाइम क्यों लग गया? आखिरकार 9, 10, 11, 12 मई की बात है और आप अभी क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? भाई इसलिए बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ट्रंप साहब बदतमीजों की तरह बोले जा रहे हैं. सीज फायर मैंने कराई, सीज फायर मैंने कराई. What is the matter with the fellow? Has he lost it? Does he have dementia? Is it that some bug has entered his brain because of all the women he has known all his life? Why would anybody say it again and again and again? Well, India kept its patience long enough. After Mr. Trump imposed 25% tariffs and a 25% penalty on Indian goods and has threatened to do more, India said, all right, let's reveal everything. American equipment was destroyed by Russian-made equipment in the service of India. S-400 killed off 5 of your fighter jets 300 kilometers away. आज तक कभी in the history of warfare, जंग के इतिहास में आज तक कभी 300 किलोमीटर दूर किसी हवाई जहाज को किसी सर्फेस टू एयर मिसाइल ने उड़ाया नहीं है. This was all thanks to the S-400 made by the Russians, upgraded by the Indians, and now we're getting the S-500. India will now strengthen BRICS. BRICS की अपनी एक अलग से करेंसी होगी, BRICS का एक अपना अलग से ऐप होगा और BRICS के जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं, BRICS यानी ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका. South Africa of course is not part of the deal, but the rest of the countries are. What are they going to do? We'll have bilateral trade. Bilateral trade में exchange का standard क्या होगा वो अभी पता करना है. Will it be gold? Will it be bilateral currencies or what? But it won't be the US dollar. The US dollar goes out of the window. BRICS or even just BRIC, B-R-I-C. South Africa, it'll join at some point of time. Brazil, Russia, India, China. सिर्फ इतना ही एक बार साथ आ जाए तो जहां तक अमेरिका का सवाल है, मिस्टर ट्रंप वुड हैव कंडेम्ड अमेरिका टू द डार्क एजेस. एक चीज याद रखें, 25% इधर, 50% उधर, 22% उधर, 15% उधर. You know what's happened? और ये मैं उन गधे लोगों से, उन मंदबुद्धि लोगों से बोल रहा हूं, ये जो ट्रंप के टैरिफ हैं, ये अमेरिकन पब्लिक को पे करने पड़ेंगे, हमें नहीं. The American public has a choice. Don't buy Indian goods. Don't. We'll find new markets. Thank you very much. All the best to you. We are not so desperate to sell to you. If the cost goes out of the window, or if you're willing to pay the cost, please do so. If you're not, God bless you. Now, what has happened? Nike, Adidas, Mattel, everybody has said, we are increasing the price of our products, that is shoes for Adidas and for Adidas, or is it Adidas? Well, whatever it is, you understand what I mean. And Nike by about 20 to 25%. 20 से 25% नाइकी शूज की कीमत जो है वो अमेरिका में ज्यादा हो गई है, ऑल थैंक्स टू द ट्रंप टैरिफ्स. ट्रंप साहब जो हैं, उन्होंने सोचा मैं 25% इधर लगाऊंगा, 50% उधर लगाऊंगा. ये सब लगाने के बाद बाकी देश जो हैं रेंगते हुए मेरे पास आएंगे, अरे अकल के दुश्मन. As a congressman asked his commerce secretary at a congressional hearing who's going to pay for the tariffs, and the commercial secretary, or rather the commerce secretary, could not answer. The answer is the American public. American middle class will pay for Trump's tariffs. Not India, not Brazil, not Russia, not China, not Vietnam, not even Pakistan, by the way. So, as far as Mr. Trump is concerned, he may have just cut off his nose to spite his own face. And he's done that many times before. याद रखें, ये वही शख्स है जो 6 बार पहले दिवालिया हो चुका है. He has filed for bankruptcy 6 times under Chapter 11 proceedings. Will his 7th attempt be to bankrupt the United States of America? क्या उनका 7वां प्रयत्न होगा कि वो अमेरिका का दिवाला निकाल दे, यानी अमेरिका को ही दिवालिया कर दे? ये मुझे लग रहा है ट्रंप साहब की कोशिश है अभी. The 7th time, he's got a 7-year itch. 7th time, he's going to bankrupt the United States of America. In the meantime, Russia, India, China, along with Brazil, that is the new market, and I've been saying it now for the last 3 years. 3 बरस से मैं यही बोल रहा हूं. Russia, India, China, that is the new market. Of course, now Brazil is also entered. So BRIC, B-R-I-C, Brazil, Russia, India, China. That is the future. Goodbye, USA. At least goodbye the way we knew the USA, or till Mr. Trump is there. Do remember, Trump is looting the American public with his tariffs. That's it. That's all for today. I'll be back again tomorrow, and I promise to be more regular, of course. I'll be back again tomorrow. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार. भारत माता की जय. जय हिंद.